What's up guys, you're welcome to this particular video. So we're going straight to this video where I show you how to withdraw your earnings from a Fiverr. So first of all, let's do this. Click on your earnings on your dashboard, log in as a seller though. So click on earnings and you are shown this page. So there are three options. One is PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you can click here. If you have Payoneer account, these two are Payoneer accounts. Okay, so but you have to add a bank first before you can use this to withdraw, if this is your first time trying to withdraw on Fiverr. So click on bank transfer. So if you click on bank transfer, they will ask you to verify by SMS or by call. Okay, so you just have to have the number that you used to register on Fiverr. That number is very important because this is the number they will use in sending you the code for you to proceed with this particular side. All right, or you can verify by call. Make sure you have these two things: the number you use in signing up on Fiverr, and also the email you used to sign up on Fiverr for this particular account. They are very, very important. So having done this, Payoneer will send you a mail. In my own case, they send this mail. I was asked to add in a bank account. Okay, I should click here. So when you click here, when you click this button, it will land you to this page, this particular page. And on this page, what I want you to do is register. Click on register for bank transfer withdraw using. Just note that they charge $3. Okay, anyway, to drop already ATM. Okay, so just open up to another page here. Okay, so right now they will tell you sign up. If you don't have a Payoneer account already, please sign up. If not, there is a video that will appear here on how to sign up on Payoneer here. Okay, I'll attach that video to this particular video so you know how to sign up on Payoneer. Okay, so but I already have a Payoneer account, isn't it? I'm just gonna click here. So I have a Payoneer account already. I click here. Okay, so I'm just gonna re-enter my password just to be sure. And I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, they said you have added a new funding source to your Payoneer account. You may now receive payments from Fiverr to your USD balance. To view a full list of available sources, log into your Payoneer account. Okay, so let me just log in. Okay, so I've added a new source to my listing. So what I want to do right now is go over to. Okay, so I've added bank transfer right here, isn't it? So what I want to do right now is click on bank transfer. Okay, so it says transfer to bank transfer, isn't it? Bank transfer. Hold on. Okay, amount. I just want to transfer this amount to my Payoneer account. So I just want to do confirm and withdraw. Okay, so it said this particular amount should land the account within 7 business days. Okay, so it's successful. All I need to do is just to go over to my Payoneer account. I never thought this withdrawal would be that fast, because this is a new account I added to Fiverr. So as you can see, 4674 USD just dropped, as you guys can see, from Fiverr. Not even up to 8 minutes that I did the withdrawal. And also about them charging $3, no, that was in the past. They no longer charge that now. As you can see, it was the same amount I withdrew on Fiverr that came into my Payoneer account. So this is great. So I'll just go ahead and add withdraw this into my Naira bank account. I'll just add my DOM account, as I said. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this particular video. Okay, so this is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.